Now, further, you can go ahead and apply conditional formatting on this data. Wherever there is negative, let us show a different color. Wherever there is positive, let's show a different shade, right? So what to do? We already discussed conditional formatting. You can just go up to conditional formatting option on the home ribbon, and I will use color scales. Okay, let me use green, yellow, and red color scale. So wherever we have done really well, whichever product has gone way beyond the expectation, it's in green. Light shades means lesser. It did well, but not by a huge margin. And the moment it starts orange, turns orange and red, it means it has clearly missed the target by a big significant margin. Okay, you can convey your information better by even doing conditional formatting. So I am able to understand by how much I have either met the goal or by how much we have missed the target. Now, how about showing this data as percentages? By what percent did we miss the target? By what percent did we go beyond the target? Showing the difference as a percentage is what we will talk about now. Okay. So how to do that? I'll have to create one more calculated field. So on the pivot table analyze ribbon, I will go to the fields option, and from here, I'm going to create another calculated field. There. So the name to the calculation, I will say percent difference. And here we are going to build our formula. So how should the formula be is, it will be the actual profit minus the target or the budget profit, and the whole thing should be divided by profit. It will come in decimal format. Okay, it's going to come in decimal format, but later we will change it to percentage through formatting. Okay, so this is my formula. Profit minus the budget profit divided by the actual profit. That would be the difference computed as a percentage of profit. Okay, so once I click on OK here, you will notice how it has computed the difference, but it's showing all zeros. That is because of formatting. All right, you can see here 0.1 something means 11% or so. Here we have missed the target by around 30%. Here we have accomplished our target by just about 8%. So why this is not coming? Because it's rounded off and showing all the whole number part. It's showing the whole number part. It's not showing the decimal part. Now I'll have to format it. So I'll go to the home ribbon, and from here I will simply make it a percentage and reduce the decimals. So you can see that now it's showing the information in percentage format. Now look at regular espresso. What is the target? 9,060. How much did it achieve? 10,065. Means by 1,005, it has gone above the expectation, which is nearly 10%. To be very precise, 9.98%. If you want to be precise, you can increase the decimals. Okay, it is almost 9.99 or 9.99% that we have gone above the target. Look at Mint. Target was 6780, actual 6154. So it missed the target by around 600, which is nearly 10% of 6,000. Right, 600 is 10% of 6,000, which is what we are seeing here. We missed the target by 10% margin. Here we have gone above the expectation by 9% margin. Here the target was missed by 47% margin. All right, I hope what I'm trying to convey is clear. So yeah, like this, we can go ahead and build calculated fields. And what is the final thing? 3%. Right, that is also interesting, no? That is with respect to the grand total. This is the overall expectation. All the products combined together, this was the expected profit. All the products collectively have given 266K, approximately 267K as the profit. So were we able to reach the overall target? Yes. By how much? 8,233. So overall, it is on the profit side. Okay. Overall, if you look at the business, it has gone above the expectation. Some products could not do well. Some products did extremely well, making up even for those products which couldn't reach the target. Overall, pulling the profit to, greater than the target. Overall, the profit is really good. And By what percent did we go above the expectation? 3%. By how much percent did this business go beyond the expectation and do well? By 3%. Okay, I hope you all understood it till here.